benevolent, like life givers and revered like gods. The sacred rivers of India have always been instrumental in connecting the people of this ancient land. DFCCIL is constructing a 1 kilometer long bridge for Eastern Freight Corridor over River Yamuna near Prayagraj. Infrastructure being an engine of growth for the country. To resolve the ever-increasing need for traffic decongestion, accident reduction and ensure energy security, the government decided to upgrade the country's freight transport infrastructure through freight-only transport corridor, namely dedicated freight corridor, which will make it cheaper, faster and more reliable to move goods between industrial heartlands. The DFCCIL has taken up massive project of dedicated freight corridors to give a boost to the country's economy. Such massive expansion project has not been taken up so far in the country post-independence. As part of the Eastern Dedicated Freight Corridor, the bridge over Yamuna River is a mega structure with a series of 34 open web steel girders of 60.83 meter length, supported for double track on well foundations. Each steel girder weighs of about 273 metric ton. An initial survey was carried out in the area. To establish controls for horizontal and vertical alignments of the bridge through control pillars and survey towers, well sinking to a depth of 45 meters below. The well cap being the most crucial part of the project, special techniques have been used to construct a sturdy structure. Since 7 out of 18 wells are submerged in water, the 2 foundations in water portion were built by constructing protected island by constructing cofferdam. 5 wells in flowing water of 10 to 12 meter depth were constructed by sinking of floating caissons. The caissons were floated on barges and carried to exact position before lowering in water. Steining, casting and sinking were alternately carried out until well reached the founding level. Bottom plug was eventually put in place after final tilt and shift inspections. When the bottom plug of concrete attained the required strength, sand filling was done up to intermediate plug level. Intermediate plugging with water filling was followed by well cap construction. All 18 wells of Yamuna River Bridge have been sunk in record time of 18 months, even after several odds, completing a key foundation of the bridge. Presently, the work of superstructure, that is, open web girders of 60.83 meters span, is in progress and 14 girders out of 34 are already completed. Now, for girder placement over the flowing water is being done by cantilever method, that is, connecting one member at a time with crane moving forward over the same member after connection. The steel for the girders is being procured by SAIL and JSPL with strict quality control and ultrasonically tested. The girders are being fabricated at RDSO approved workshop and transported to site for assembling and placing in position. 2 such cantilever launching cranes are being placed to complete the 16 girders in this manner. The complete bridge is planned for completion by September 2020.
We are constructing 48 important bridges as a part of dedicated freight corridor One of the important bridge we are constructing over river Yamuna, which is also 1 kilometer long. This involves 9,800 metric ton of fabrication of steel and also involved 55,000 cubic meter of concrete. This bridge will provide a very important connectivity on Eastern Dedicated Freight Corridor, which will connect the capital city of Delhi to eastern part of India.